Welcome everybody. So in this new video, I'm going to show you another airdrop that can potentially make you money. So therefore it is worthwhile to watching this video, not wasting time, not doing any bullshit watching cartoon, those type of stuff. It's valuable. Watch this video properly and apply the work that you're watching in the section in the later. So apply that work in the your browser and make as much money as possible. So let's dive in. Okay, welcome everybody. So Atleta Network has launched a campaign on TaskOn. For completing this task, you will get an extremely special NFT that can potentially make you airdrop. Okay, being eligible in this section. So in order to join in here, you need to definitely come into our Telegram channel. Okay, by the way, so what you need to do, you need to copy this site link. Just tap into here and copy link and paste it into your browser. So paste that link into your browser, then simply click on the join section. So while you will click on this join section, they will ask you to connect any any of them that on the screen, but I will suggest you connect MetaMask. Although it is easy to access, it is Web3, you can they can detect you so much easily. So simply click on there, your MetaMask will be notified, and you need to just permit your MetaMask in order to turn it. Okay, it is loading slightly, just being an opening up. So connect it and confirm your stuff and connect it. Now you can start doing this stuff that it is required in here. So if I click on the verify section, they're asking me, please, before click on the verify, you need to go through that page and visit the page. Okay, we are doing exactly the same thing in here. Okay, they are already collaborated with biggest exchanger Bybit. Okay, just I'm closing it out, and we did we did join, we did visit their page. Now I will click the verification. Definitely it will be verified. Okay, definitely if you done it, it will be. Okay, so next one is your TaskOn account. It is like lakhs. It is like lakhs layer 3 website, this type of stuff. My network is sucks if you noticed it here. Okay, anyhow, let's say this task is done. Okay, same way. Okay, same way, what do you need to do? Just go through that link, click the verify. 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 Same thing, do over and over again in order to earn as much point as possible. Okay, so simple as that. Okay, so as you see that my first task is already completed. That's showing on the screen, and if I go through the my Twitter and follow them and doing the stuff that required to do in here, just go through the link. Same way do the verification. Okay, then done. Okay, so I done couple of work. I was post the video and then I complete this task, if you noticed. And the next one is proof of work. What does that mean? You need to provide screenshot in here. So proof of work, click on there because it is the blue link. Simply click on there and that link will bring you in the coin market cap. Okay, so here you need to have an coin market account where you can be able to feedback about the Atleta network price, um, about them. Okay, so everything I'm showing you now, you need to have an account. Simply click on this login in order to doing those stuff. Okay, then go through your email, click the Google, continue with Google. If it doesn't still show up, put your So I successfully log in. Click on there, and then I'm just scrolling in here, and I'm follow on the Atleta, and now I'm trying to post something about them. Simply click on this post or say something about in here. So Atla, simply what I would do right in here is about Atla is going to be massive, going to be massive, massive. Okay, simple as that. Now simply click on this post. Okay, it will post for you. Now it's time to back in the section of the TaskOn, and where what we do is just click the verification button. It that will be immediately verified. Then move on the next turn, move on the next turn, move on the next turn, and so on and so forth. Okay. So simply what you need to do. There you commented in here. Simply click the simply click capture.